Hi, in today's video we are gonna cover the other way of deleting a node. So if in the previous one we deleted from the outside, now we're gonna delete from the inside. So let me run the prototype. We have this node that we added previously. So before we needed to tap and hold in order to see the action bar, and then we could finally hit the trash bin icon and then see the feedback message. But now it's just tap just once, not tap and hold and anything like this. So the same action bar is displayed, so we can hit this icon and then see the feedback message. So like we did in the previous tutorial, we have this snack bar where we can undo the action. So we can kind of regret on the flight and then undo what we just did. And this is all that we are gonna cover today. So I don't even need to show the details because, like I said, this is pretty similar to the previous one. Just in case you haven't watched that, I recommend you to watch the previous tutorial. So I'm gonna show the triggers so you'll be able to see what's going on behind the scenes. So to go from the first screen to the second one, we have this trigger, which is on click, navigate to next screen, smart animate, always important. So when we use smart animate, Figma takes care of this nice animation, turning the app bar, for example, into a very nice action bar with animation, direction, and all the things that we adore. Okay, so we also have this back button. The trigger is on click, navigate to previous screen, smart animate. To go from the second to the third, we have this trash bin. So the trigger is on click, navigate to the leading node, which means we're going to the next screen, and then smart animate one more time. We have one trigger for this snack bar, and then when the user taps the undo link, the user will be taken to the first screen, skipping the second step and getting to the first one. And also after delay, if the user doesn't do anything, 2.500 milliseconds, the user will be able to get to the last part of this flow, smart animate as well. So the only thing here that I should dig a bit more is the snack bar. So the third screen has the snack bar being displayed, and the last one, the snack bar is still here, but 0% opacity. And that's all that we are gonna cover today. The float action button, it's also being displayed in the second screen, but like I showed in the previous video, it's here but offset, so we need to move it down. And then when we go from the second screen to the third screen, the float action button will be displayed, will appear. And that's it, all that I'd like to cover today. I hope you like it, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace.